Good morning children. Today we are going to see the measurement of weight. So measurement of weight, the conversion is, it is the same like length only, length measurement. Already I have given in length, day before yesterday I had given, and class 3 also today they had kilograms. So the same video I have sent, since both the calculations are same, so I have sent the same videos. Don't think that I have sent class 3 videos. Both are same, so conversion is same, so I am sending the same video. Okay, now today we will see the problems. Okay, problems we have different from class 3, so that I will give it. Here addition and subtraction combined operation also is there. So let's see now. Okay, here you see the first one. It is in exercise 3.3, page number 109. The problems you see. First one, a dog ate 2 kg 600 gram of meat in first week, 3 kg 90 gram of meat in the second week, and 4 kg 706 gram meat in the third week. How much meat did he consume in all 3 weeks? In all. So it is a keyword for addition. So all the three you have to add. But when you add, you see that you are arranging them in proper columns. Kilogram and gram, you have to arrange in different columns and arrange it in properly. And when kilogram and gram combination comes in gram, always there should be 3 digits. So here you have to insert one more 0 to add it. Okay, and statement is important. Write the statement also. Next one, a basket has 12 kg 250 gram apples, 9 kg 315 gram of grapes, and 18 kg 306 gram of watermelon. What is the total weight of the fruits? So total weight. So this is a keyword for addition, so you have to add. Next one, the weight of a bed is 100 kg 500 gram, and that of a sofa is 78 kg 250 gram. Which item weighs more? How much more does it weigh? So how much more? So this is the keyword for subtraction. How much more? That is a keyword for subtraction. You have to underline and you write it minus and do the calculation. Okay. And here you have to answer two questions. Which item weighs more? So that also you have to answer again. How much more does it weigh? So for that, this you have to do the calculation. For this only one word answer. Again, next one, a confectioner bought a sack of 100 kg flour. He used 29 kg 250 gram to make double bread and the rest 20 kg 250 gram to make buns. How much flour was left in the sack? So left is the keyword for subtraction. But for subtraction, you need only 2 numbers. But here there are 3 measurements are given. So that means here addition also is there. Okay, I will explain in the board this one. Okay, next one. Confectioner means baker. Okay, the baker. Now he is called the confectioner. Again, a farmer harvested 789 kg 350 gram wheat and 115 kg 650 gram lentils at his field. How much grain did he harvest in all? So in all, this is a keyword for addition, so you have to add. Next one, Harpreet bought a sack of potatoes weighing 50 kg. He gave 15 kg 275 gram of potatoes to one of his friends and 14 kg 775 gram to other. How much potatoes is he still left with? So left is the keyword for subtraction, but here we have 3 measurements. 15 kg, again 15 kg 275 gram, 14 kg 775 gram. So there are 3 measurements. That means here addition also is there. Addition and subtraction combined. Okay. So I will explain D1. So F1 you have to do by looking at this one. Next one. Sneha bought 2 kg 350 gram of cabbage, 1 kg 650 gram of brinjal, and 1 kg 500 gram of tomato. How much vegetables did she buy in all? In all is the keyword for addition. So you have to add. All the 3 you have to add. Again, Milan bought 10 kg of sugar from the shop. When he came home, he weighed the sugar again and found it less by 375 gram. Find out the present weight of the sugar. Okay, so it is less. So less means it is a keyword for subtraction. You have to subtract. This also I will explain in the board. Again, next one, Sahil bought 10 kg of mangoes. He used 2 kg 375 gram for making mango juice, 3 kg 225 gram for making mango shake, and the rest he ate. How much mango did he eat? So rest. Okay, this is a keyword for subtraction, but here 3 measurements are given. That means here combined operation is there. So you have to find out where to add and where to subtract. So you will follow the method what I giving for D. Again next one, Rohan bought 3 kg 500 gram of sweets, Sunil 2 kg 250 gram and Kumar 4 kg 250 gram. How much sweets did they buy in all? In all is a keyword for addition, so you have to add it. Okay, now I will explain two problems, that is D and H, that both I will be explaining. So and you see and do other sums. I have written the D sum on the board. Let's see now. A confectioner bought a sack of 100 kg flour. Okay, one sack fully has bought the flour. So that is the total amount of the flour. He used 29 kg 750 gram to make double bread, and the rest 20 kg 250 gram to make buns. Okay, so this two he is using. Okay, so this both are the same. So used one. So that two we have to add, and this addition what we have added, that sum we will minus from this total amount of the flour. Okay, so if you minus from there, then you will find the left amount. Okay, so let's start writing the solution. First you have to find the addition. After finding the sum only you can minus from the total flour. Okay, so the amount of flour used to make bread. Okay, amount of flour now see the statement I have written. Quantity of flour used to make double bread. Okay, that is 29 kg 750 gram. Again you have to write quantity of flour used to make buns. That is 20 kg 250 gram. Okay, you have to arrange them in kilogram and gram. This quantity of flour used to make, this both comes in two sentences. That's why I have written both of them in common in one sentence. Again I have written only double bread and buns here. Okay, this both is common for this two. Okay, now this is, we have written, you are arranging kilogram and gram columns and you have to add it. Now next, quantity of flour used. So total flour used you have to find. That is you have to add here. So now 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10. So 0 you write 1 carry here, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 it is 10. So 0 only you write and 1 you will carry to the kilogram. Okay, 9 plus 1 10. So 0 you will write, 1 you will carry here, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. So it is 50 kg and 0 gram. So just you can write it is 50 kg. There is no gram, so you can write it just 50 kg. Okay, now we have to find the left flour. How much the flour is left? So let's write quantity of used flour now. Used flour. Here only, no, first total flour. Both are in kg, so you can just write it is kg. So 100 kg and used flour is 50 kg. So left flour. How much it is left with this? You have to minus. So 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 5 5. So 50 kg. 50 kg of flour is left in the sack. Okay, this is 7. You are right. Both there is no grams, so I have written only kilograms. Okay, suppose if there is gram, you have to write the gram also. Okay, let's see now from the exercise the H1. Okay, now the next one. Milan bought 10 kg of sugar from a shop. When he came home, he weighed the sugar again and found it less by 375 gram. Find out the present weight of the sugar. So you have to minus, I told already, found it less. So this is a keyword for subtraction. So you have to minus here. So when you minus, I told you write the bigger number first. So here only two measurement is there, that is 10 kg, again 375 gram. So in this both, the bigger one is 10 kg, so that only you will write. And this is in kg and this is in gram. So you will arrange them in columns kg and gram. And here there is no gram, so in grams place, in this you will put 0, and there is no kilogram, so in kilogram place you will put 0 there. Okay, let's write this statement. we have to arrange in kilogram and gram. So he bought it for 10 kg and there is no gram, so gram place you have to put 0. Already I told in kilogram and gram, when this combination comes, here in kilogram there should be 3 digits, so you will put 3 zeros. Okay, now found it less by. So how much he found less in he weighed? Found it less by. So how much he found it less? That is 375 grams. So this is in gram. So only gram place you will arrange, and in kilogram place you put 0. Here you can put 1 0, otherwise 2 0, there is no problem. Okay, so now the present weight. Therefore, the present weight equal to present weight equal to, you have to minus. So you cannot minus from here, all are 0, so you have to borrow from here only. From 10 kg you borrow here 1, so this will be 9, and here you will get now 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, no? So that way you can take it, otherwise here you are getting 10, from 10 you will borrow here 1, so 9 will remain and again it will be 10. Here you will give 1, so it will be 9. Okay, just you are giving here 1, that way also you can take it, okay? So now ordinary subtraction you do, okay? Don't be confused. 1 kg if it goes, it is 1000 gram, that way if you think you will be confused. So directly go ordinary way, just you multiply, there won't be any mistake. Just ordinary subtract, there won't be any mistake. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6. And here 9 minus 0, 9. Okay, so the answer is 9 kg, 625 grams. So the present weight of the sugar is 9 kg and 625 grams. Okay, so other problems you do it by yourself. Again D, how I did the same way only it comes F1 and the I1. Okay, both are same. Both the way same method only you will follow. Okay, and in exercise 3.3 the 2-1 it is given just a dash, so just don't fill up the dash. You have to do the calculation. Same thing in 1 also, 1 and 2. Since it is given only dashes, don't just fill the dashes. You have to do the calculation also. Thank you and do the homework.